Okay.
Video call.
Back.
Alright, there's bumpers at the top of that hill against that fence way up there. And his goal is to stay in the water the entire way there and on the way back. Well, as long as there's water. He's not supposed to get out and go around.
Back.
Alright, he's getting out. Ooh, and that pumper is up there between the brace posts. And he's going right to it.
Good moose. Attaboy.
Turn around, turn around. No.
Colby, would y'all be quiet? Good moose.
Don't get out, buddy.
Gotta cross the log that way. Good.
Good boy.
But he's gonna be a boy when he get in the walking water. Good, here.
He knows he's not supposed to get out on the bank, so he doesn't. He stays right in the water, as shallow as you can get.
Good, here.
Stop, boys.
Good. Attaboy. Right here.
I don't know what to do with that decoy.
Good. Good
Good
moose.
boy.
Good moose.
Quiet.
Good, here. Good, heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Around here. Heel.
Good boy.
Attaboy. Good.
Good boy.
Shut it out.
What did you get, Moose?
Good
What'd you
boy.
get, buddy?
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Good.
Good boy. You want to come over for a pet? Yeah, you want to come over for a pet?
Damn!
Come here.
Where'd
Why
he
are
go?
you crying?